Well, I finished my quest, so we should probably get back. Do you think we can turn all this into the guild today?
Not with your ambling two-legged gait. Climb on and we'll be there in no time.
What? Can I really? Well, I don't mind if I do. See Daisy.
And we're off. We're here.
I thought I was gonna die.
Are you so weak that merely riding on my back exhausts you?
I don't think you get how fast you are. Listen, what would have happened if I fell?
Huh. I would have had less dead weight to carry.
Oh, now you want to call me dead weight? Well, I'm the dead weight that cooks your meals. So if you like otherworld cuisine, you better not let me die.